Go in. Go in. Oh. Never have I ever been to a disc golf course where I drove through a cemetery. I hope the baskets are not in between dead people. All right, guys, obviously super weird to get in here. I drove through a cemetery, but pretty cool little course. I am in Hillsboro, Texas, just south of Dallas. And it's a little cool little 9-hole. I'm gonna jam on this. Just throw my alpha, little stable fairway. And it's 239 over the water, so let's get it. All right, that was a little left. But I've been enjoying this, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. It's weird doing this, being on camera, and I don't know, it just feels weird, but I'm playing a lot of courses and just wanted you guys to come along. I'm gonna try to get to 1,000. This will make 135, so I got a long way to go. Definitely have a long way, but I'm traveling every week to a different destination all over the United States, and playing different courses every time. So if y'all are in those areas, man, next week I'm going to Louisiana, and then after that I'm going to LA. I usually know my trips about 3 weeks in advance, so man, love to play with one of you guys if y'all are out here, and we can get together, get around it. My alpha. Let's make a putt. That's a good 2 to get. If you've ever played this course right now in Hillsboro, I would not suggest playing it at this moment. Very wet, soggy, and nasty, and it's pretty gross. Let's check out hole 3. I am 2 through 2 right now, so let's keep it rolling. I'm just gonna throw a little forehand gator, metal flake gator. Go in. So far we're at hole 3, Hillsboro Park in Hillsboro, Texas, just south of Dallas. It's pretty fun. Good little course. Three for 3, let's go. Honestly, I don't even know where the tee pad is. So, number one, no tee pad, super muddy. I'm throwing in slop here. That's a good shot. This is a little 9-hole, so I'm gonna try to see if I can make these videos fun for you guys while you get to watch the whole round and see how bad I am. I think I'm rated 925, so I'm an amateur golfer, but I'm gonna go play 1,000 courses.
So come along with me.
Going, going. Oh. All right, it's kind of a long hole. 411. I think it's a 411. Yeah, 411 par 3. Decent course, really just for practice, I think, here. This isn't anything special. But I should be playing a course tomorrow in Dallas that is rated 4.5. So that'll be nice. But even if, you know, I'm just trying to rate these little courses, even if they're 9 holes and they're right off the highway, they're good little courses for neighborhoods. So far, maybe a 5 out of 10. Pretty sloppy little course. Great for practice. And that's what we're doing. Faded out pretty good. .319, hole 8. Big hyzer up on this tree. Let's see if we can get it there. Looks like more than 319 to me. Wind is pretty strong today, but that's no excuse. I suck at putting. A very good shot. Probably threw a 200. So, I think as a review for this course, there's absolutely no maintenance, no upkeep. We've had a lot of rain recently in Texas, so it's in pretty rough shape, man. Right now, it's probably a 3 out of 10. I wouldn't play this course right now. Hillsboro Park, Hillsboro, Texas. Little 9-hole. I mean, even if you are pitching, putting, I feel like you can find something better. So it's pretty rough. But shot, probably, I think I shot 5 down, 6 if I make this last hole, but not the best course in the world. Course 135 out of 1,000. Let's keep running.